Mithali, as a captain, you had to deal with a lot of these things. No? In a team sport, this is a problem, of course. You can't keep everybody happy. You can't have, we always have a problem of plenty as far as our Indian cricket setup is concerned. So how did you deal with things like this? These are very tricky questions to keep players happy also, to have the communication straight that, boss, this is what we need right now, this is what we don't need right now, because careers are at stake, they're on the line.
Well, I think it's very difficult as a captain because you'll have to think about all 15 of them. Of course, the players' mindset is they obviously want opportunities to prove that they do have in them to perform for the team and contribute. But then as a captain, you probably have to consider a lot many factors when you're putting 11 together. And it's a little what can I say? As a captain, I personally felt pretty lonely doing this job because not everybody will understand from the point of view your own decision why you have certain players in and why you haven't picked certain players. But one, as a leader, one you can do is be more compassionate and empathetic towards your team players. And just give your shoulder for them. You have to be that sounding board where they can throw up their frustration and you don't judge them for that. So I think
how often did that happen with you when players were bringing their frustration to you?
Well, since I have pretty much led 4 generations of players. It was pretty easy to reach out to the seniors because obviously they are very professional. They've already gone through that experience as a young captain. Perhaps they were trying to help me out when I was pretty young as a captain. Players that I've played with of my own age, I was able to do this much better because they've seen me as a friend and that communication was much easier. But I found it very difficult with the current generation because of the age gap, because of where we stand also in terms of, I'm the 80s kid. And some of them like Shefali and Richa were not born when I made my debut for India. So you can understand, I found it very difficult to reach out to them. And, but then I had to tweak a little the person that I am to able to come down to the level that they are and speak to them, have fun with them. There are times when jab wo jokes crack karte, I don't feel like there's nothing to laugh about. But then I fake karti hu, I just laugh. Because they have to be comfortable, right? So I've done all of that. Ultimately, kya hai? I want the team to do well. I want the players to be in good space. Team jeetna, of course, everybody wants it. Lekin wahan pe thode players will be there who feel bad, who feel left out. So it's the job of the leader to make sure that they don't feel that. They are still very much in the context of the team. Unki jo contribution hai, like say Arundhati, the current, when they won the World Cup, Smriti or Jemima spoke about Arundhati, the only player who didn't get a chance throughout the World Cup. And it could have been very different for that girl. But she was there for them emotionally and mentally as well. So it's a little difficult, but I think as a team, when you're together for about 2-3 years, you sort of find that comfort level where you can express.